everyone. This is Nancy from SinoColor. What kind of factory you are going to cooperate or you have cooperated with? Today, let me show you around in our factory and let's follow my lens. The first floor is the large format UV flatbed printer production line. The 160 by 120 cm, 250 by 130 cm, and the 200 by 300 cm machines will be prepared here. The second floor is our Solvent printer, DTF printer, direct textile printer production line. The third floor is our small UV flatbed printer, UV roll-to-roll printer, sublimation printer, DTG, and the UV hybrid printer production line. How will your orders be prepared after order placed? First, incoming goods inspection. Second, installation. Third, wiring. Fourth, calibration and printing test. Fifth, quality control. Then, the last is packing. Except the regular production, SinoColor devotes to research and development of new technology continuously, dedicating to offer not only high-quality digital printing equipment, but also one-stop solution and a reliable service for customers. Okay, that's all for today. Welcome you to contact and cooperate with us. We will be your reliable partner in China. Let's build the future together. SinoColor, better printer, better service.